Nick Durant here with Tattoo University, and I'm going to do a real quick video for you guys. I have another video I'm working on right now, and it's pretty long. So while I'm working on that, I'm going to throw you a short video on how to make sure your coils work. This might seem pretty simple, but it is a time saver, because you might spend the time and put your entire tattoo machine together, and then it doesn't work. And you troubleshoot it and you just can't figure out what's wrong, and what has happened is you have a broken wire on your coils and your coils don't work. So now, before I put any tattoo machine together, I do this to make sure that these are good coils, and it's a real simple process here. Now the only thing you need here is a piece of metal or your armature bar. And you should have an armature bar because that's going to go on your tattoo machine. So all you need is your armature bar, your coils, your power supply. Show you power supply off camera there, and your clip cords ready to go. Now here's the thing, you need to connect your lugs to the clip cord like so. So sometimes these little clip cords like this aren't the best for this. What I keep around, everybody can get a laugh out of this, is one of the first clip cords that I've ever made, because it is really long and it's this huge monstrosity. I made this with a spring and who knows what, but see the reach I have on this compared to this. So this clip cord actually really comes in handy. So I just hook up my lugs to this clip cord here like so. And now here comes the magic. If I turn my power supply on by stepping on the foot pedal, ta-da, these work because it attracts the armature bar. So that lets me know that this works. If you did this and it didn't work, then you might need to check your coils and make sure that they are good. And that will save you a lot of time instead of putting your whole tattoo machine together and finding out that your coils are bad.